Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning or good evening to everyone. Today we will discuss how the decision and the branching logic exist in the Easytrieve. We have like if statement, else statement, else if statement, and end if statement, and do and undo. So these two statements are the decision state. Decision state. Okay, and go to, perform, stop. These are the branching state. Branching state. Okay, and here you can see like we have loads of statements. Statement one, statement two, statement three, statement four, and up to n. So how the control decision made? So this has been made based on the conditional expression. Okay, if it will return false, then it we will come out of the this top to bottom flow. If it become true, then our statement one, statement two, up to statement n will execute. And we have here mentioned the do while, but we can check here if we have only one record, then we can check with the if we want to check the like number of record, then we can use the do while. Okay, next, construction of if statement. How the if statement made? Like if condition is true, then statement will execute, else the statement will execute in case of false. And how is the do statement construct? Like do while, and we here we have to give the condition. If condition is true, then statement will execute continuously. Okay, and go to and perform. Suppose a branch to another location in your program and stop holds the execution of the activity. There are most common condition format are field relational, field class, field switch. What is the field relational? Let's discuss this first. Field relational compare a field, okay, with the another field, or a literal or arithmetic expression. Here we give the operator like EQ. These are the relational operator like not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, so we use these operators. And field class condition. What is field class condition? Here we will check whether our field name has the data alphabetic, numeric, or space, or zero, or high value or low value. We can check in case of field class condition. Here we have written one program. So in program we can see like in program we have using the EGT like utility. Okay, and here we have the pay file. Okay, and we have mentioned the pay file below, and its structure is like employee ID is starting from 1 to up to like 5 byte of alphabet. So here you can see 001, 00B, 00AB we have given in the input file. And second is the pay gross, we start from the seventh position of 5 byte of numeric value. Here what we have done after that, we have read the first record of pay file, and then we are checking the employee ID is numeric. If it is numeric, then we will get is numeric, otherwise in else we will get the is alphabet. So then we have checked for the first record here. Okay, and for example we want to see for like other records, we have like second record, third record, then we have mentioned the do while, then it will read the second record. If it will check end of file, pay file, then it will stop the activity, otherwise it will check the employee ID numeric. Whether it is numeric or not, same condition it will follow in the do while, right? Okay, and here below is this full result, like 001 is the numeric, 000AB is the alphabetic, 00002 is the numeric. So we will get this kind of result in spool. Okay, and next is the field series condition. Field series condition. So in this condition, we compare a field, okay, with a series of field like field 2 or field 3. If our field name is like matching with any of the field 2 or field 3, yeah, then we will call it a, then it will become true. Same case we have in the do while, like field name not equal to literal 1 through literal 2. Okay, we can give true also. Okay, in case of range, and we can code any number of field at the right side of the operator. Okay, we can give any number of fields or literal like this that is the operator. So at the right side we can give any number, but here we have some rule. If we have field 1 is alphabetic. Okay, like in this example we have name, so that is alphabetic, and we it can be compared with the alphabetic or numeric field or alphabetic literal. So here we are comparing it with the employee ID, which is numeric. So this is working fine. If field name is numeric, like in this case we have, like in this case we have employee number. Okay, employee number is the numeric, and we are matching it with the alphabetic field. So it, like we can see, it cannot be compared to the alphabetic field or literal. So we will get this kind of error B055 invalid length type or decimal place name. Okay, so we will get this kind of error. And each value in this series of value to the right of the operator represent either a single value, like here for example this is the single value, or we can give the range of value, like we can give like this also 1055 triple five through 15555. Okay, we can give through keyword also. Okay, we have second program now. In second program, what we are doing, like we have this pay file. Okay, that is the pay file. This one is the input file. So this one is the input file. In this file, employee number is starting from 1. Okay, so that is the employee number, and then we have the name. Here we have the name of 10 byte, and then we have the net, which is in the packed decimal format. So here you can see we have the packed decimal data. Okay, and next we have the gross, which is also in the packed decimal format. So here we have given in the packed decimal format. Okay, and next we have the department number, which is in the numeric format of 3 bytes. So here you can see we have 3 bytes. And then next we have the deduction we have also in the packed decimal form. So here we have the 5 record in the same manner. In program, what logic we have applied, like if name is equal to John, either Katie or Ram, then we will get in the display in this pool like if name is available. If this condition is false, then we will get the is not available. Okay, in school. And same case of net, like we are checking net not equal to gross, like net is not equal, this net is not equal to gross or deduction or like gross employee number also, and 9 like 999.99. Okay, so we will get the display accordingly. And then similar case in do while, like we have to check the condition for the other record also. So we are using do while same get pay file, and here we have applied the same condition which we have applied above. Okay, so here like you can see we are checking Golu is available or not. Like here we have given only John, Catty, Ram. So Golu is not available, so we will get Golu is not available. And John is available because we have mentioned here John. Okay, and Manu, Ira, Karan is not available. And in case of like, for example, we want to check this net. Why we are getting is not equal to. So in this case, like 78610. So not equal to, yes, that is true. And not equal to this also, not equal to employee ID also. So that's why we our this condition becoming true. Okay, so we are getting is not equal. Okay, and same like if we have like this one. In this case 3 4 5 6 third record, like this one we can see it is matching with the 4 5 6 7 2. So that's why we are getting it equal. Like it is matching with the, like our net is matching with the gross. Okay, and next we have the program third. In program third, what we are doing in this program, we have the same file. Okay, but in condition we have made one update. Like here we are using the through keyword, like John through Ram. Okay, so here in this case, like John through Ram, we are checking name. Okay, so we will get name is available based on the condition if it becoming true. So John, like Golu, Golu doesn't come between, like between in this range John to Ram. So we will get Golu is not available. Okay, but Jones, it is starting from John. So we will get, yeah, of course that is true. Era is not available. So Era, John through Ram, it is not coming in under this. But Monu is coming, and Manu is coming under the this range. And same case of Karan is also coming in this range. Okay, and like if we check for the department, what condition we have given in department, we are checking whether it is in the range of 001 to 003. 001, like this is the department. Okay, so we will get not matching. So 001, yeah, it come under 0001 to 003. Yeah, yeah, so this will also come. So here you getting like matching in this record also, and in this also you will get matching, but here it will not match. Okay, like you can see is not matching. Okay, so like here also employee number we have given through, and here also in the net not equal to deduction through we have given through. So we are using here through in the third program. So using the through also, like if we want to check some range, we know some range, then we can apply that through using the through keyword. Okay, next we have the GOTO statement. This statement actually branch out of the normal top to bottom flow of the program execution. Means it will branch out mainly. Like how can it will branch out? If we can give like go to label name, or we can give go to job. Okay, if this statement specifies job, okay, in this case, what will happen? Execution control will go immediately to the first executable statement of the current job activity. If the go to specify a statement label, then execution control is transferred immediately to the first statement of that label. Okay, so in case of like a label, it will go to the first statement of the label, and in case of job, it will go to the first statement of the like job or activity. And the specified label must be located in the same activity or procedure. And what is the procedure processing? So it is a set of statements that are grouped together to accomplish a certain type of task. Once you created a procedure and given it a name, you can reference it in your program by name without having to repeat the line of code each time you want to execute them. And procedure, how it is defined using the proc and the and proc statement. They are invoked from within your program with the perform keyword. So we use the perform keyword to invoke the proc. Okay, like and proc name, like we the name you assign to the procedure. Okay, so we will give Proc-name. It must start with the letter, or it can be up to a 40 character long and can include letter, numbers, and some special characters. The name must be followed by a period, like here we have given the Proc-name, and then it must follow by the period and then space and then keyword Proc. And then inside this we have the number of statement, then we end it with the end Proc. And what about statement labels? Statement label are the names that you can quote to identify the destination of a GOTO statement. Okay, they are also the subject to same restriction as the field name. They must also, okay, they can also start with the letter, can be up to 40 character. They must be start with the letter, or it can also have the 40 character length, like label length, and same as we have in the Proc. In the Proc also we were having the 40 character. Okay, and it can compose of the letter, digits, and some special characters, same as the Proc-name. Like for example, we have this program. In this program, what we are doing, like here, get date, current date. Okay, then we are checking salary here. Then we are calling the invoking the proc, this proc service calc. So here in the service calc, like we have the proc here. Here we are checking like the current y year minus higher year. So here we are checking condition. If month is less than higher month, then we are deducting services. And if current month not equal to higher month, then also we are deducting -1. Okay, and after that we are checking service still service is less than 1, then of course it will go to job, it will go to the first statement here. So main is the GOTO statement here, and the like proc, how the proc follow in the Easytrieve, like using the perform keyword we can invoke the proc. Thanks guys, that's all from my side. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more new notification.